There's one question here, I think it's specifically to Senator Jordan. Senator, are you aware of the destruction of forests and human rights violations in Subic?
The forest in Subic has been protected. I don't know what he's talking about. If he's talking about Mr. Gold, no, there's no destruction of forest going on. We're very protective about the forests. You still have monkeys there, you still have bayawaks there. Kaya lang kung minsan yung mga unggoy doon naging makulong na bumababa na. Yung mga bayawak naging buhay na. Forests are well preserved there. In fact, the Aitas are there. The Aitas own Subic. It's not us who own it. It's the Aitas. They have free reign in the forest. We cannot move without them. Anong human rights abuses sinasabi niya? Di ba lang?
There was no...
I'm aware of that sa Mindanao. I'm aware of that sa certain areas of the country. I'm aware that there are no more forests in Mindanao. Alam mo yan. Dito sa Cervantes, kaya bumabaha, mataas ang tubig ng Laguna, di ba?
Another question, because I think this is for both of you. You have labeled yourselves as transformers. In what way do you plan to live up to that name if both of you believe?
You want to go there?
Yeah, we've been transformers for so long. No? Yeah. 33 years transformer. I am 17 years a transformer. As we transform hearts and minds of people to build character and goodwill, character and communities for a new Philippines. We've been doing this. We've been doing that for all our public service life, and we'll continue. I think we are already old, no? And we cannot be taught new tricks.
We are in the...
And no longer all those new tricks.
We are in the youth of old age. Nasa eskwela pa lang ako. Nagawa ako ng kampanya sa eskwela. Sabi ko, ang eskwela natin, apathetic, complacent. Hindi na intindihan ng iba yung ibig sabihin ng apathy. Indifferent. Wala kang inintindi kundi sarili mo. Parang kang autistic. Sarili mo lang inintindi mo. Hindi ka lumalabas doon sa careful. Parang kang gano'n. Diba gano'n? You go out into the world, right? And be involved. And all my life, that has been my story. I am not just a student. I was also a cheerleader. I was also a track and field player. I went to Welfareville during weekends. I served mass. I taught catechism. I was debating. I was everywhere. Because I wanted to transform. I was with Party for Philippine Progress for Raul Manglapus. I wanted to transform the Constitution. Ginawa ko doon, ako yung delegate sa Constitution Convention, pinakabata. I challenge it. Bata ka, estudyante ka, tatakbo ka. That's transformation. Nanalo ka, Bill of Duties, not just a Bill of Rights. Transform ko yung jeepney driver. You're a professional. Ba't ako mag-uniform eh? Ba't ako magkukulay? Ba't ako may body number? Makita nga na lisensya mo. Oh, professional yan, di ba? Sino ang idol mo? Sabi niya ng araw, si Jaworski. May body number? 7 po. May kulay? Opo, meron po. Anong kanyang lisensya? Professional. Idol mo? Idol. At pareho kayong lisensya, di ba transformation, maging kon ka rin, maging professional driver ka rin. Di ba? So, every time we move, Subic, volunteer. Huwag mo ibigay ang tungkulin sa bayan, sa gobyerno. Huwag binigay mo. Kung nanakaw lang dyan, maninisi ka na naman. Don't fix the blame, fix the problem. That's transformation. Diba? Sanay tayo. Eh kasi yan eh. Sa pamilya namin, bawal yung kasi. Sayang, akala ko, no excuses. That's the way it is. That's the way I was raised up. That's transformational leadership. Dito, ang politika natin, boto kita, hingi. Binabasa yung boto, mukhang malabo na. Madilim na. Kailangan pampalinaw. Tingi. Mag-aasawa ka. Nung araw, isa lang ang ninong, isa lang ang ninang, magpapabinyag ka. Ngayon, isang dosetong ninong, congressman, senador, sa kaliwa, mayaman, congressman, senador. Tama? Bakit? Transactional society. Kailangan meron kang edge. Ang edge mo, hindi yung galing mo. It's who you know. Not just what you know. So we have to do a transformation of our whole scenery.